Good day to my prospective employer. I am Erna Picaring, married, 31 years old. I have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. I graduated my career computer secretarial at Aba Institute of Technology in the year 1999. I have experience 1 year and 8 months.
Where?
As housemaid in Sharjah, UAE. I am taking care of 4 children ages 10 years old, 9, 5, and 2 years old. My main duty in my employer is taking care of 4 children, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking the food of the 4 children.
You are the only maid inside the house.
Actually, we are 3 maids inside the house, but we have different employers. The 2 maids is only...
So you mean to say, in that house, there were 3 families?
No, ma'am, only 2 families.
2 families.
Yes.
And with your employer, with the family of your employer, you're the only helper.
Yes.
How many persons you are serving? The one you are serving?
I am serving my employer,
Mom, sir,
mom,
2
and
adults,
the 4 children.
4 children, so 6 persons you are serving.
Yes.
And how old are the children?
The children are 10 years old, 9, 5 years old, and 2 years old.
Okay, and in your employer's house, how many bedrooms is that?
In my employer's house, we have 6 bedrooms and 6 bedrooms.
Okay, so you're the one in charge also cleaning the 6 bedrooms.
Yes.
Also cooking for the 4 employers.
Actually, the...
How many? You have 5 employers. 5
Yes.
persons.
No, I am not the one cooking the food. Only the breakfast of my children. I am the one who prepares.
Why who did the cooking?
The mother of my employer, and together with the 2 maids that...
So you mean to say there is only one kitchen for the 2 families?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I see. So they're only staying in one villa, something like that?
Yes.
Oh, So your main duty are the children and other household chores?
Yes.
Okay. But how do you learn the way of cooking? Arabic dishes like that?
For me, I never have a chance to learn the cooking.
Because you was not able to help or doing or assisting in cooking?
Yes.
Okay. But if ever you can go to Hong Kong, are you willing to learn the Chinese way of cooking?
Yes, I am very willing.
So you think you can learn, or you are a fast learner, or you can easily learn?
Yes.
Why did you say yes?
Because if you are very interested in one thing, you can learn fast.
Okay, and besides that, it's also your responsibility. In Hong Kong, usually you are the only helper inside the house, no matter how many persons you're going to serve. So you have no companion, no one will help you, you have to do all the work, care the children, serve all the family members, do all the household chores, and even cooking. It's okay with you?
It's okay.
Yeah, no problem with that. Because aside from that, you're also a mother of 3, and you're a housewife. So whatever work assigned to you, you're willing to accept.
Yes.
Even caring of small children.
Yes.
So what can you assure to the employer if they'll hire you as their worker?
What I can assure to my employers, they will hire me. I will, if they have children, I will treat their children as my own children. And I will take good care of them. I will be honest to them. I will be patient in everything. And I will learn everything that they will teach me. And I will treat them as my own family. Thank you.